Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create business warehouse space optimization using adaptive wide angle in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and bring in a warehouse image. I pause because warehouse visuals show business strength and scale. The shelves curve due to wide angle distortion. I duplicate the layer first. I open Camera Raw filter and select adaptive wide angle. I draw strong vertical lines along storage racks. I pause and let the space stabilize. I zoom in to check labels and pathways. I adjust the correction slightly to keep depth. I zoom out and feel structure and efficiency. Now I add business logistics text in a clean zone. The final image feels powerful, organized, and business.